All right, what's up, guys? I got this package in the mail. It is from Kilo. Let's open it and see what it is. If you know me, you probably know it has something to do with blockchain, cryptocurrency, health, wealth, some sort of passive income something. Oh, what is this? Vivo watch generation 2. So I got this, Odie, and like a little instruction. So let's open up this first. For all you AMSR people out there, there you go. This is tight. I like that. Here we go. Boom. Vivo, making life wonderful. Welcome to the digital health sharing economy. That's probably backward for you guys, but I just read it for you. A little QR code there, user guide, apps, and resources. I like that, make it simple. Boom. That is beautiful packaging. And the fact that this is a business that monitors my health and I can literally put this on the blockchain decentralized. Beautiful packaging. I mean, they learned a lot from Apple, right? I mean, I'm an Apple guy. To me, this is beautiful. Let's pull it out. So there's a little sticker on the front. We're gonna pull it off. Boom. All right, so, and this is sweet. So I am not a jewelry or watch person, typically, but I have been since I bought gold and silver and made money from it. So normally I don't wear watches. Fits nice. So I'm gonna show you guys how this is a wearable. It's a watch. It's gonna actually read my health data and I'm gonna make money from that. Okay. All right, so I'll figure that out later. Got my watch on. What is this? Let's see. Again, good packaging. Dear valued customer, greetings from OdiePay. Is that? Look at that. Is that a MasterCard? Is that what that is? Where I can spend crypto anywhere in the world that I earn from my smartwatch? Yes, this smartwatch monitors my health data and pays me daily, and I can cash it out right here to this card and spend it anywhere in the world. MasterCard is accepted. This is what decentralized finance is all about, guys. Decentralizing, taking back our power, our data from our own health, and then spending it wherever we want using the power of crypto. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I can't wait to start playing with this watch. Lace up, let's get wealthy. Peace.